Hello everyone, this is my review of the Dumost gaming chair. The chair feels surprisingly robust and comfortable. The plush memory foam seat is covered in leather that looks upscale and wipes clean easily. The assembly was fast and smooth. The instructions and video made the whole process painless. From daily office tasks to long gaming sessions, the chair felt supportive. Excellent lumbar support and neck comfort. The curved-shaped backrest and breathable hollow design promote good posture over extended hours. It's a great value for desk or gaming use if you're watching your budget, but don't expect it to replace higher-end ergonomics or luxury materials. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.